Today I'm showing you how I decorated my Christmas wreath. I purchased this blue spruce wreath from Kmart for $12. I started by fluffing out the branches until I was happy with the fullness. I collected a bunch of these dried eucalyptus leaves on my walk the other day, and I thought the tiny gum nuts were so cute. Was anybody else obsessed with May Gibbs books about gum nut babies? Because I still get excited and think of them whenever I see little gum nuts. I spray painted the gum nut twigs using this White Night spray paint in the color gold. Here I'm laying out how I want the twigs to sit, then adjusting the branches around them. I used garden wire to attach the twigs to the wreath. I wrapped the wire around the twigs in a crisscross pattern, then tied them to a branch on the wreath. I then attached these cute little pine cones with hot glue. Also added one of these jute wrapped baubles. I made a video on how to make these and we'll have it linked at the end of this video. Next, I made a little arrangement of bells and baubles to hang from the wreath. I then tied them together using jute string. I hope you have enjoyed watching me make my Christmas wreath. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you would like to see more. Bye for now.